What's up, Weight Warriors? It's your girl, Balance Beauty, and today we are set to get some abs. We're gonna be doing our ting, the newly launched challenge, to just try to get some flat belly. If you're like me who is set to get my belly flatter, I want you to join me into this workout. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, girl, this guy, what are you waiting for? Please hit on that red button and join the family, because in this channel we are all about fitness and health and beauty. So come on guys, let's quickly move into the workout.
Start with your arms extended with one dumbbell and elbows not locked. Then bring it in towards your chest as you bring your knees in. Then back out and repeat. For low impact, we're just doing a regular in and out without equipment. Remember to always engage your core, and if you don't have dumbbells, you can always be creative and use something around the house like a water bottle. Make sure your feet are off. Alright, stay in the same position. First, lift those legs up and then drop them down slowly. Raise them back up again, and we're crunching upward with a pulse, bringing yourself upward a little further. Make sure your back is flat on the mat when you're lowering down your legs. You're doing great, guys. Now we're doing a single leg raise and pulse. Let's start with the left leg. As you reach forward, make sure you're engaging your core and do a pulse, bringing yourself upward a little further again. Make sure you're squeezing your abs to feel the burn. Alright, we're not taking any breaks here, we're swapping to the other leg now. Now get in a side plank position, and we're doing some plank reach. Make sure you are not using a dumbbell that's too heavy for this one. Do it slow and controlled. It should be challenging enough for you without impacting your form. And now we're swapping to the other side. Halfway through the workout, guys, keep pushing through, you've got this. Great work, guys. Now get into a hollow position and we've got hollow crunch next. As you bring your knees towards your chest, have your dumbbell over them and engage your core. You can do this. Squeeze your abs. Alright, now lay flat on the mat and we're going to do a roll up and over. Use your core muscles to roll yourself up and have your dumbbells go over your knees again. Make sure your core is doing all the work here, just go at your own pace. Keep pushing through, guys. And the last exercise is V cycles. Flip around and get on your butt with your dumbbell ready to go on your side. Now we're having a dumbbell go over and under one leg and then repeat on the other leg. You're basically drawing a figure 8 with your dumbbell. And make sure you're leaning slightly back, heels above the ground and core. and leave a comment on how you went.
Oh my god. We did this, guys. 10 minutes of cleansing ab workout. Please remember to give this video a big thumbs up, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please, what are you waiting for? Join us as we work and get some abs together. Bye. It's your girl Viana's Beauty. Don't forget.